Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Here I came up with a new video on percentage conversion. In this video we are going to learn about converting percentages into fractions, percentages into decimals, and fractions decimals into percentages. So I'll show you how to convert percentages to fractions and decimals. So basic idea I'll give how to convert percentages. So here I have taken a percentage. This percentage will be converted into fractions. To convert into fractions we have to divide with 100. So remove the sign percentage and divide the number with 100. That is simply we can call it as dividing with 100, which gives a fraction. And that fraction we have to put it in the simplest form. This fraction must be in the simplest form. Very simple. We have to divide with 100 to get the fraction form. And how to convert into decimal? So let's take a fraction number. To convert this fraction into decimal, we have to simply multiply with 0.01. Then it will be converted into decimal form. This is how we simply divide this with 100 to get fraction form, and we multiply with 0.01 to give the decimal form of the percentage. Let's see with examples. One example: convert 65% into fraction 65% is taken. As we have discussed earlier, to convert this percentage we have to remove percentage symbol and then we have to divide with 100. So 65 by 100, dividing with 100 as we discussed. So 65 by 100, so which we can write as a simplest form. So cancel that. So 5 is a factor here. So 5 times 20 and 5 times 13. So 13 by 20 is the simplest form of 65 percentage. Let's take same example. So convert 65% into decimal form. So I am taking 65% number. To convert this into decimal form, as we have discussed, we have to multiply with 0.01. So let's see what happened here. So remove the percentage symbol and then multiply with 0.01, which is equal to 0.65. This is how a 65% can be converted into a decimal form. It is easy to remember. Dividing with 100 gives a fraction form. Multiplying with a decimal number, which is 0.01, will give a decimal form. So let's do some practice on this models, converting percentages to fractions and decimals. Convert into fractions. 35%, 40%, 96%, 88%, 100%. Convert into decimals. 62%, 53%, 33%, 51%. So kids, pause the video and solve these questions. Here we are the answers. 35% as 35 by 100. So when I write in the simplest form, it goes by 20 times, it goes by 7 times. So 7 over 20 is the simplest answer, and 40% is 40 by 100. So simply strike off zeros, 4 by 10. So 2 times 2 and 2 times 5, and 2/5. 96% is 96 by 100. So it goes by 4 table. So 425 is 100, and 4 2s 8, 4 4 16. So 24 by 25. So 7 by 20 is the answer for the first one. 2/5, 24 by 25. Here 88% as 88 by 100. So 425 is 100 and 422s. So 22 by 25. 100%, 100 by 100 goes by 1 time. So 1. So which is 22 by 25 is the answer for this fourth one, and 1 is the answer for the fifth one. Decimals, 62%. So directly we can multiply 62 with 0.01. So 0.62. 53%. 53 times 0.01. So 0.53. 33%. 33 times 0.01. So 0.33. 51%. So 51 times 0.01, which is 0.51. So answer for the first one is 0.62. The second one is 0.53. The third one answer is 0.33, and the fourth one is 0.51. Converting fraction to percent. If you take any fraction, so you have some numerator over some denominator. So what you have to do it is to convert into fraction, make denominator 100. Make denominator is equal to 100. That means if you convert the denominator with 100, some numerator will be there, so that you can write as numerator and rewrite 100 as percentage symbol. This is how we convert. Simple technique is that convert the denominator to 100. In order to convert, we have to write the equivalent fraction of the given thing, and then later once you're done with 100, so you just rewrite this 100 with this symbol. That's the answer. So simple example for this is 2/5 is a fraction which is given. So 2/5 times 20, here I am doing times 20. So 40 by 100, which is rewriting 100 with the symbol 40%. So have some practice on this model fraction to percentages. Convert the fractions to percentage. First one 1/4, second one 3/10, third one 4/5, fourth one 12/50. Kids, pause the video and answer these questions. Here are the answers. 1/4, to make this 100 here, so 4 times 25 will give me 100. So write the equivalent fraction of that. So to write the equivalent fraction, what we have to do is multiply the numerator and denominator with 25. So 1 times 25 is 25 by 100. So the answer is 25%. Second one 3/10. 10 times 10 will gives me 100. So same thing on the numerator. So 3 times 10 is 30 by 100, which is equal to 30% is the conversion of 3/10. The third one 4/5. So we have to go from down to up when we are simplifying this conversions. So first figure out what is the number to be multiplied to give the 100. So 5 times 20 will give me 100. So times 20. 4 times 20 is 80. 5 times 20 is 100, which is equal to 80%. Here what I did is times 20, I have done it. 12 by 50. 12 times 50 times. So 50 times 2 will give me 100. So do the same thing on the numerator. 24 by 100. Here I have done 50 times 2 to get the 100 here. So as you can see that 100 can be rewritten with percentage symbol, which is 24%. This is how we can convert fractions to percentages. Convert decimal to percentages. Very simple technique to convert into percentages is taking any decimal. So to convert into percent, we just simply multiply with 100, which gives us a percentage. So I have an example for you. Example 0.52, which is a decimal number. To convert this decimal into percentage form, as we discussed above, so simply multiply with 100, that is 52, and put a percentage symbol beside, that is 52%. So have some practice on this conversion into percentages. Convert decimal to percents. I have few decimals to convert: 0.10, 2.25, 7.82, 9.724, 0.001. Pause the video and answer these questions. Here we are back with answers. 0.10, as I discussed earlier, so times 100 and then put the percentage symbol beside that. This is 10. 0.10 times 100 is 10%. So what we are doing is moving decimal 2 decimal places to right side. Here 2.25 times 100, so simply move 2 decimal places to right, that gives the percentage equivalent of that, 225%. 7.82 times 100, which is equal to 782%, and 9.724 times 100, this decimal will move only here up to, so 972.4 percentage. So last one, 0.001 times 100, so move this decimal to 2 places right, 0.1%. This is how we convert all the percentages. I'll give an overall conversion chart to you to understand at a time. Here I have 3 blocks: fractions, percents, and decimals. So how do we convert a fraction to percentages? Simply we just make the denominator as 100. So we have to convert this as 100, and then we write the percentage symbol beside that, add the percentage sign so that it converts into percentage. A percentage into fraction, divide simply with 100, whatever that percentage is given, so simply divide with 100 without the percentage symbol. Now to convert percentages to decimal, so to convert percentages to decimal, simply multiply with 0.01 without percentage sign, which gives the decimal. To convert decimal to percentage, we have to multiply with 100 without percentage sign. When we multiplying 0.01, so we have to move decimal places, 2 decimal places to left. Here when we are multiplying with 100, we have to move 2 decimal places to right side. That simply gives the conversion. And kids, this is how we convert fractions to percent, percent to decimals.